Yesterday's weekly close was potentially a massive bearish trap, and I will show you today indications exactly for that specific reason. But first of all, I want to thank each and every one of you out there for 30,000 subscribers. So that is just amazing, guys. So I have started this journey a couple months back only, and we have already 30,000 subscribers here on the channel. So I'm super grateful to each and every one of you out there. And because it is a really special day for me, for everybody that wants to be part of my paid signals channel, you will get only today 50% off the usual price. So just go below my video, click here this specific link to get in touch with my staff. And they will hook you up with everything. Only today, 50% off. And now let's get here directly into the content. So I believe that here yesterday's weekly close that we had here at $41,900 is potentially just a shakeout tactic of bigger money in the market. So, and why do I believe that? So because the candle has now for this week started to push under here crucial support that we can see here in the chart. So, and this support was from 42,500 all the way up to 43,000. So we have broken both support levels, and the candle is right now beneath both levels. Do I believe that we can get here much lower before we see a reversal and this candle potentially turning back above both support levels that are now obviously resistance? Yes, I do believe that. So, but how low could we actually go before this might be the case? So in the worst case scenario, I see Bitcoin going down to $37,150. So why do I believe could we get that low? So that is because we have here crucial support along that $37,150 level on the weekly time frame. So we have here these candles here getting supported and a move to the upside. So we had here a fake out to the downside and then a move back to the upside. So we got here when we broke above this level support and moved here further to the upside. So here it was also for a time resistance. Here it was a time resistance with a fake out to the upside, and then when we broke above it, it was also support with a massive move to the upside. Also, when we go to the Brave New Coin chart, to the BLX chart, there also we can see that also on the BLX here, that is the line that we need to hold here for $37,168. So, and that will be my worst case scenario from where we will see a bounce here back to the upside. So when do I expect that bounce? So this bounce can be happening really soon. So why do I believe can this be happening really soon? So when we are going here to the daily chart, I want to show you guys that here on the daily chart, we are still in a hidden bullish divergence. So why are we still in a hidden bullish divergence? So I will show this to you here. So when we are looking here at the chart and the RSI, so then we can see here clearly that we are still forming higher lows here along the chart. So with today's candle, so unless it drops all the way down to $37,600, this will be also still a higher low. So, and when we are now connecting all these higher lows, so we are getting here this trend line. So even if I would connect it something like this, so we would still get here along this line and all these touches. So, and then here on the RSI, we are creating higher lows. So, and that is a textbook, as we can see here, hidden bullish divergence. So, which will lead to a price reversal back to the upside on the daily time frame. So, what's happening on the daily time frame will definitely have an effect also on the weekly time frame. So because 7 daily candles make up 1 weekly candle. So, and therefore this will also affect price action on the weekly time frame. So if we can manage to get here this hidden bullish divergence playing out and the Bitcoin price coming back here above $43,000 and pushing here through $45,000, then in my opinion the bullish divergence will be 100% confirmed. Then also the weekly chart will turn around and we will see the price action continuing to gravitate where's the upside. So also when we go here to the here on the daily chart on the volume profile, we can also see that in terms of going into lower levels, that here around the $40,000 level all the way down to $47,000 level is the biggest volume profile candle. So, and that is another indication for me that we most likely will not break under this massive support here. Right now, the price is getting supported from the 41,900, more or less, to $40,500 level. So as we are also running there into support, and just under that we have the longest volume range support candle, so that we will, in my opinion, not break to the downside. So guys, and if you also want to trade this big bounce that I expect here from the worst case scenario $37,000, then you can still go to BYBIT or to Phemex with the links here in the pinned comment below. On BYBIT $4,600 that you can still claim here with that specific link, or on Phemex $4,100 with that specific link in the pinned comment, only with these links, and they are only still available, these bonuses, for a limited amount of time. So what do I get out of it? So you will get a bonus, and I get also a bonus if you trade with my links. So now here on the 4-hourly chart, we are seeing more or less the same picture what we are seeing on the daily chart. Also here we still have a bullish divergence. So when we're looking here at the picture, the price is creating lower lows on the 4-hourly chart, but on the indicator, the RSI, creating higher lows. So what do we see here on the 4-hourly chart? The price is creating lower lows along our falling wedge. So, and the RSI is creating higher lows. So unless we are breaking here under 30% on the RSI, and the price action also drops here around to $40,500, this divergence is also still in play. We should not forget this. So I'm still here cautiously bullish for the immediate short term, not over confident bullish, cautiously bullish, with bearing in mind that we could drop lower here to the worst pain around $37,000, even though I don't believe that we go that low, but the possibility is there. We should not rule out that. So, but we have also here a lot of bullish indications that the price should reverse here between $41,000 and $37,000 in the immediate short term, back to the upside. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to comment and to tell me what you actually think is going to happen here in the immediate short term with the price action. I want to know what you are thinking. Also, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, activate the notification bell, and I will see you in the next one.